What's up YouTube, Eagle Fan 1015 here. Another box break. This one is 09 Rookies and Stars Longevity. 3 autos or memorabilia per box. So. There's 10 packs, 5 cards per pack. Dalmine first pack. There's a Hushmanzada, Joseph Adai, Rashad Jennings rookie, and for some reason I was thinking he was a rookie this year, but I guess not.
Daddy, look at all my cards are cleaned up.
Good job. Sure you don't want to open some of this?
Oh yeah. When I clean up my cards, then I would.
Okay. Got first hit here. Here, I'm gonna let Brody bust a pack.
No, I didn't.
Alright, go ahead. They're really hard to open now.
Yeah.
First of all, we got
No worry.
Darren McFadden, blue. And that's numbered 18 of 75. Yeah. And then the hit is
Where'd my blue scissors go?
Jason Campbell jersey. Here, use these scissors. Jason Campbell jersey, numbered 38 of 100. There's a Cutler holding a Bears jersey. It's not on fire, so.
Can I see?
Open your pack up.
Not working.
Base.
It's not working.
There's a Kevin Barnes rookie.
No use. My hands are slippery.
Alright, here. Here, I'll get it started for you.
I don't even know where my blue scissors went.
I don't know neither. There you go. Alright. Packs are pretty tough to open.
Got a green. Daddy, look at my cards.
Alright, look through them. Show everyone if you got anything.
Oh, here's my blue scissors.
Alright, this one we got a Brandon Jacobs red.
Here's my
Numbered
blue scissors.
to 150.
Hey, look. Look.
Good job, Bub.
Well,
Did you go through your cards?
Yeah.
What'd you get?
I don't know. I didn't go through them.
Hold on, but oh, okay. You're gonna get another pack. He got a Jared Cook rookie card. Titans. Oh, be careful, bud.
Oh, really hurt my toe.
He's gonna bust another pack. There you go.
There it's working. Not
Go
right
looking
now.
for 2 more hits. There's one of them. Vernon Davis. There's gonna be the hit here. Roll it. It is Greg Olson jersey.
No use. Can't get him out because
That's numbered to 299. And then there's a Jeremiah Johnson rookie afterwards.
Here we go.
You got him? You wanna show everyone? There.
I got the Dolphins.
Yeah, Ricky Williams. Okay, put it down right here. Okay.
Here.
What's next?
Not same as
The
Pirates.
That's Kalen Winslow Jr.
The Pirates.
Yeah, the Buccaneers.
Oh, I got a Johnson.
Oh no, it's a dummy card. Go ahead. What's next? There's Lewis Murphy rookie. There's a Carson Palmer and a Matt Hasselbeck.
I need this.
Alright, you take that dummy. He calls all dummy cards drawing things, because he can draw on them. Flacco, McNabb. Rookie is Brandon Tate. And Edward Parker. 2 more packs. Should have 1 more hit. I think it should be an auto. Johnson Jones. There's a Ziggy Hood rookie. And base.
Well, this chair is like this.
In the last pack, I should have another hit in here unless Brody has one down there hiding.
No, I didn't hide one.
Alright, bub. Owen Daniels, and there
Daddy,
it is.
Look at the chair.
Kenny McKinley.
Daddy, look at the chair.
Okay, Bob.
Look at it.
Okay, Bob. Kenny McKinley auto. And then there's a Matt Hasselbeck red to 150. Base.
Baseball guy.
Alright. And I still have 1 more box. I'm not sure what I'm doing with it yet, but that's all I have for today. Peace.